we go. There's a short cableway. We got about 6 to 12 inches of dirt that's in here, so we got to get that out. This is level 2 of the Launch Control Center. Right here is where the big consoles used to be. We have some wood there, so we don't go through the floor. We've got our hammock set up in here. We've camped out in here a couple times. That's been fun. Just recently we had my friend Bill Williams out here, and he showed us around. It was fun. He used to work in these facilities late 70s through the early 80s and was actually present to see the destruction of these places. So right now it's about 95 degrees outside. In here it's about 70 degrees. This is the cutaway view of what this facility looks like. Right now we are standing right here on level 2 of the Launch Control Center. So we're about 35 feet below ground. It's kind of the construction process of what it took to make these facilities. There's the missile silo, long cableway being laid in. Those are the big blast lock doors. They literally built the blast lock around those doors. Sorry about the glare. This one right here is an interesting picture. That's actually a picture of our site when it was being constructed. This is one of the launch consoles. It's still here. Over there is the plug where they'd plug in the pig. That was their air monitoring tool. That's where the fresh air intake comes in. That's where the radios used to be hooked up. Right here is another hole in the floor. And if you see up here, there's actually a hook. And at that hook, they would hook on the a lowering system so they could lower or raise equipment down there into level 3. Got level 1 going up. Designated smoking area. Always gotta love that. A water pressure tank. I think this is part of like the air scrubbing system for the ventilation system for the stove top. Got the crew quarters. It's all dark in there right now. Bathroom. There's the pantry. You can still see where they store their toilet paper or their floor wax, bowl cleaner. This is the kitchen area. This is where the stove would have been. Got the hot water heater. Would have been a phone on the wall right there. Dinner table over in this area. And here's the original kitchenette. Go ahead and take you down to level 3. We got a couple strands of these 100-foot lights. Put some LEDs in them, and it's powered by the Honda EU2000 generator. Works out great. One sec, we got a couple missing steps here, so I gotta stabilize myself. There we go. Do that one more time. We got some more missing steps. here is level 3 of the Launch Control Center. So a lot of this stuff in here, air handler, a lot of these server racks and other equipment racks are going to be taken out. Probably the stuff on the ceiling, we'll just leave it. It's pretty neat being able to see, I mean, the amount of work that was put into making all of this possible. I mean, even the conduits, all of them have these beautiful bends that are at the same, radius and such. I mean, look at this, like right here. Look at that. That's awesome. This is where the septic grinding pump was at, and it would pump it out from there up to the septic tank. Where all of the battery power was at. Over here, it's kind of dark, but I think there's 8 ports right there that go up to ground level, and we're going to use those to bring in our power and plumbing and such. Here's the escape hatch. Unfortunately, it is definitely filled with concrete slurry, so that'll be a chore to get all of that out. But little by little, Thompson brothers are definitely not afraid of work. Love to work hard. We were taught that way from when we were kids, and we want to teach our kids how to do that too. So that is the grand tour of the Launch Control Center as it stands right now, and we'll keep you updated. Adios.